I've got my BoxyCharm by Ipsy. So if you want to see what's in the January curation, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit are, I don't know, in the other room doing something else. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is my January BoxyCharm by Ipsy. I have my items, my boost, as well as just a few add-ons. So let's get into what they chose for me. So the first thing they chose for me was the set of 2 brushes by Life. Now this brand is vegan and cruelty-free. And these brushes retail for $32. And very, very nice complexion brushes. Very soft. I love the different colors on there. Yes. All right. I have used the Life brushes before, and they are very, very nice brushes. Next, by Pear Nova. This is their bronzer and contour stick. Now this company is also cruelty-free, and this is a vegan product. It is enriched with castor and jojoba seed oil, and it values at $28. Let's take a look at that. So you have both sides. I do like that. And this just says light on the cap. Right, it doesn't tell me which is which, so I'm going to use this one first. It's a little bit of something from my earlier Mother versus Daughter Ipsy. See that little pencil mark? That's from earlier. I'm going to try to connect that if you're interested in that at all. All right, so there we go. Just smudge that in. I'm going to guess that the darker one is, I don't know, because I feel like this is shaped, this side, the lighter one, oops, this is shaped more like I would consider a contour to be shaped. I'll have to look that up. Next, we're going to get into my choice items, and the first thing is by MZ Skin. Now, we know that this brand carries a heck of a price tag. Now, this is their hyaluronic acid hydrating serum. This is a supercharged serum with 5 forms of hyaluronic acid, including sodium hyaluronate. It also has snow and reishi mushrooms, which are going to help soothe your skin to decrease redness and irritation. I'm going to show you this before I tell you the price. All right, so here this little bottle is. This little bottle right here retails for $175. Now that's not why I picked it. I picked it because I was interested in the fact that it had the five forms of hyaluronic acid, plus that it had those mushrooms in there to help soothe irritation because I have rosacea, so I thought that might be something nice. Next, by Purlisse, this is the Blush Glow BB stick. It's for cheek and lip. Always such pretty packaging. And this is in nude sugar, and it says it's very buildable. Oh, okay. I feel like quite a bit came. So for the cheeks, it just gives a nice healthy glow. Now this has vitamin E and hyaluronic acid, and it retails for $24. My last choice item is by Olivia Uma. It is the Glass Skin Tengulu Pudding Cream. Is that what it's called? Pudding Calming Cream. So this is a Korean skincare brand, and it has fig extract, scintilla asiatica, and aloe vera, and it's supposed to have a pudding-like texture, and that's all I needed to see. I was like, yeah, I want to try that. So here's how it looks. And normally I don't open these up, but I mean, I'm just intrigued by that cream-like texture. It just looks like a cream texture, but it does have a light scent to it. All right, so it absorbs well. It does, again, it does have a light scent, and it does have a $48 value, but I was just very interested in it. I said, that's just so different. And then the last thing from the box is my Boost choice, which was the Man-Eater palette. This is the Nightfall, and I'm always a sucker for a Tarte palette. Tarte is cruelty-free, and look at those colors. So we're gonna get in here, we're gonna look at some of these. All right, so I've got this nice dark brown, which is I would put on my outer corner. Go into this blue purple shimmer. There we go. And then here's that light green. So far, I've swatched this one, and this mint green over here. I'm going to go into this one, and this one, and we'll go into this dark green. Doesn't have as much shine as I thought it would. There's a little bit, but you can't see it so much. All right, let's go into this one here, and this purpley one. Ooh, and this blue one. Gotta get a little more of that purple. Oh, look at that blue right there. This is gorgeous. Cannot wait to create a look with this. And the theme for this month was a clean slate. So they've got some coming soon, Rare Beauty, Tarte Amazonian Clay, and Origins Ginseng. So I think these are some spoilers for February's BoxyCharm by Ipsy. If you want to know what's in the icon box, I got all the spoilers for that too. So check that one out. All right, so my add-ons. This one I think was $3. It's by YC Collection, and this is the Sela 9-pan palette. And whenever I see like a $3 palette, and I'm already going to get stuff, I throw it in there because I figure, you know what? You can't go wrong with it. Somebody will, you know, win a giveaway, and just a little something I can throw in. Not everybody likes makeup. They like a lot of skincare. So I like to always have like a little something, though, for makeup in there if they're at all interested. This, I thought, had some nice neutrals with a few kind of fun colors mixed in. And I mean, for $3, I'm going to come across somebody who wants, you know, a palette. And I have other palettes, but these are just cute little things to just throw into little giveaways. And that is a $26 value. So even though I paid $3, it's still a $26 value. Next by Biro is the Peach Kombucha Clay Mask. And the Purifying Clay Mask. It's a $70 value. I believe I paid $12 for it. It has upcycled donut peaches, kombucha tea, and fermented clay. So it's a nice detox, and we really like this brand. It's got a high price tag, so I'm not gonna ever really like go out and buy it, but I'm getting it in my Ipsy. They probably don't like hearing that. Next by Benefit, and I have paid full price for Benefit. This is the Roller Lash Mascara. So this is going to give a little curl and lift. It has provitamin B5 and retails for $29. Again, I have gone out and spent $29 on a Benefit mascara because I really love their mascaras. So I wanted to try this. And then by Beauty for Real, I get a set of 2 face brushes. And this, I think I've got like for maybe $5. These are a $42 value. Maybe I paid $12. I'm not really sure, but I feel like I grabbed these for a giveaway, so I'm not really sure what I paid. But, you know, after Christmas, I give away a lot of stuff to family, and I had some giveaways around that time, so I'm getting low in stock, so I needed to pick up a few new things. All right, I'm not going to take that off of there, but I'm just going to show you. They're going to be similar to the ones I showed you before, only these are for Beauty for Certain, or Beauty for Real, and they do have nice brushes. I actually have these brushes and really enjoy them. And you can never have too many brushes because once they get dirty, you have to wash them, and then they have to dry. So I just like to pull new brushes, and then at the end of the week, just wash what I need to wash. All right, so that is my BoxyCharm Plus add-ons. What are your thoughts? What was your favorite item? Mine, you know, it's that Tarte palette. I'm not gonna lie, it's that Tarte palette all day long. But short of that, I don't know. The brushes are really nice. I kind of like this kind of dual product. I always like a dual product. So maybe it's that. I know it's like the little thing and not the $175 serum. But in fairness, I haven't tried this yet and I don't want to open it yet because I do have other serums that I'm currently using. So I will keep you informed. I had to actually do a video going over what I'm using now, which is I have the Medicate and I have the whole ritual that I use in the morning. I don't have any eye cream. In the morning and at night, I use their night cream and I'm really enjoying it. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with us. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. If you're new to Ipsy and you want a gift with your first order, check out down below. I do have a code that's going to get you, I believe it's a free gift that you'll get with your first order, and that'll also give you access to their shop, which has great deals. All right, well, thank you so much, and hopefully I'll see you soon.